Hey guys, what Dynovox sent me. This is a EGR relocation kit for a Chevy Duramax. Let's cut this thing open, see what kind of quality this is, because it is made in China, but it's super affordable, man. I can't remember exactly how much this is, but I mean, it's really not that expensive. Kind of excited to see what kind of quality we have here. All right, there's our hose. Pretty nice crimps on it. Getting up close view here. Yeah, nice crimps. Looks like they have a little Loctite on that there. You can't see it. It's pretty good. All right, man. I like attention to detail, and that's attention to detail there. Let's see what else we have here. All right, got our hardware. Got some bolts and some clamps. Looks like pretty run-of-the-mill stuff. Yeah, they don't look bad. I'm digging it. What we got here? We got a block-off plate. Let's see if I can get that open for you. My super duper rusty razor blade. Way up there. What else we got in here? Got another block-off plate. Cut this open. So we have. I think that exhaust we had from them, it was pretty good stuff too, man. It was packaged pretty well. All right, we got us an O-ring, another O-ring, and a pretty nice block-off plate. I got a little dirty. Yeah, it's aluminum block-off plate. It's got a little scratch in it, but that ain't no big deal. All right, looks pretty nice, pretty machined stuff. This here's steel. I can tell it's a little heavy. Oh, dude, I know where that come from. When I said it was scratched, I done that with the razor blade when I opened it. And here we go. Oh. There it is. All right, man, that's good stuff. I really like that they put Loctite on that, because that goes to show that they're actually paying attention to somebody or something saying, hey, it's leaking. But good job, Dynovox. Nice stuff, and you never know, one day we might get this installed on something. But I'll leave you guys a link in the description for these guys. They got lots of stuff. They got Duramax stuff, Power Stroke stuff, Cummins. I think they got stuff for Jeeps. I'm a diesel guy, so that's the only thing I pay attention to. But I don't know, pretty impressed. Nice stuff, nice crimps, well made. I don't know about the fitment. We'll find that out later on, but there's a link in the description, their website, my stuff. Go through it, helps me out, and they might send me some more stuff to review. But anyways, thank y'all for watching, liking, and most definitely check these guys out, because it's pretty good stuff, man.